Okay, so I want to answer some questions about final part one. The question I have is about problem three. And what I want you to do, I want this to be the body of a function, which gets its values through parameters con1 and con2. So what you need to do is create my function up here with a def statement with parameters con1 and con2. You can delete these two things right here. These two lines become unnecessary. And then this is the body of the function. So the body of the function all has to be indented. So scoot that over the 4 spaces, okay? Then before you submit, I want you to test your function. And to test the function, just remove these comment markers and then execute this cell so that I can see what your function does when it executes with these values. Okay. As for 6, 7, and 8, it says begin by creating a string consisting of the problem statement from problem 5. So your string is put a quote mark here and a quote mark here, and that's your string. Okay. And then the counting stuff proceeds as it was in the notes. If you have any trouble locating where the algorithm for using a dictionary to count things is, just let me know and I'll point it out to you. Let's see. And then problem 6, there are also some questions about problem 6. So I need a string to demonstrate, so I'll use the one I'm writing. And the instructions may be a little misleading because I at one point referred to lowercase vowels, but the statement of the problem says you have to count all of the vowels. And I'll show you how I count all of the vowels. And so here's my string. I need a string to demonstrate, so I'll use the one I'm writing. That's the string S. I set the count of vowels to 0. Then I create a string. Vowels is lowercase a-e-i-o-u, uppercase a-e-i-o-u. And I iterate through the string, and the variable that I'm using to iterate through the string with is, I'll call it C for character. So for C in S, that's a typical iteration through a string. If C in vowels, so this statement here will be true whenever the character that you're looking at is someplace is in this string called vowels. And if that's true, then you add 1 to vowels, and then after the loop has finished, you print the result, n vowels equal, comma, n vowels, and that gives you, in this case, n vowels equal 20 because there were 20 vowels found in that string. Okay, so I hope that clears up the issues that you're having with the final part 1.